Hello class 6, I am Ashok, your English teacher. Here present with a new video for you. Today in this video I am going to discuss the third chapter of the book, A Pact with the Sun. The name of the chapter is The Shepherd Treasure. This video will be part 1, as in one session this chapter cannot be completed. So let us start the discussion with the title of the story, The Shepherd Treasure. Shepherd is the person who tends sheep and goats. इन हिंदी इफ़ वी टॉक अबाउट गडरिया जो भेड़ें और बकरियां चराता है और रखता है उसको शेफर्ड कहते हैं. ट्रेजर मीन्स वेल्थ. इन हिंदी वी कैन से धन. सो व्हाट वाज शेफर्ड ट्रेजर वी विल कम टू नो इन दिस स्टोरी. नाउ रीड द स्टोरी. A poor shepherd once lived in Iran. So this particular story is related to Iran, where a poor shepherd used to live. Though uneducated, he was very wise and helpful. So this particular shepherd was uneducated, but he was very wise and helpful. Wise means sagacious, samazdar, intelligent. The king decided to meet him in disguise. Disguise means dress to hide one's real self. भेष बदलना in Hindi if we talk about. In a village in Iran, there once lived a shepherd. He was very poor. He did not have even a small cottage of his own. He had never been to school or learned to read and write, for there were very few schools in those days. A poor shepherd, he used to live in a village of Iran. He was so poor that he had not a small cottage. Cottage means hut of his own. He could not go to school because there were very few schools in those days. So he remained illiterate and didn't know how to read and write. In this part of the text we read this. Now see what is there in the next part. But before that you can go through these words meanings. Shepherd, a person who tends sheep, goats, etc. Disguise means dress to hide one's real self. Cottage means a small hut. Though poor and uneducated, this shepherd was very wise. He understood people's sorrows and troubles and helped them face their problems with courage and common sense. Many people came to him for advice. Soon he became famous for his wisdom and friendly nature. The king of that country heard about him and thought of meeting him. Disguised as a shepherd and riding on a mule, one day the king came to the cave where the wise shepherd lived. So, in this part of the story, we read that in spite of being uneducated, this shepherd was very wise. He could understand people's sorrows. Sorrows means griefs. And troubles. Troubles means problems. He used to help people face their problems with bravery. Courage means bravery. And common sense. Many people used to come to him for seeking his advice because of his wisdom and intelligence. Wisdom means intelligence and friendly nature. He became famous. The king of Iran heard about him and thought of meeting him. Disguised in different way like a shepherd to hide his identity, and riding on a mule. Mule means an animal like horse or donkey. If we talk about this particular animal in Hindi, खच्चर जो होती है उसको म्यूल कहते हैं. The king came to the place where the wise shepherd used to live in a cave. Cave means den. If we talk about this word in Hindi, cave गुफा को कहते हैं. The shepherd rose up. These were the words: wise, sagacious, sorrows, griefs, courage, bravery, wisdom, intelligence. Mule, an animal like a horse or donkey. Cave means den. As soon as the shepherd saw the traveler coming towards the cave, he rose to welcome him. He took the tired traveler inside the cave, gave him water to drink, and a share of his own meager meal. The king rested for the night in the cave and was greatly impressed by the shepherd's hospitality and wise conversation. So, the shepherd rose up to welcome the traveler as he saw him coming towards him. He took him inside the cave, gave him water to drink, and a share of his own meager meal. Meager means uh, petty and poor in quality. The king rested for the night in the cave and was greatly impressed by the shepherd's hospitality and wise conversation. Impressed means influenced or affected, and hospitality means welcoming and providing good services to the guest. Conversation means talk. So king was very much influenced by shepherd's hospitality and his wise conversation. The shepherd was able to make out that his visitor was none other than the king. The king made the wise shepherd governor of a small district. Other governors became jealous of the new governor and called him dishonest. So these are the outline. This is the outline of the story. What is going to take place in the next section of the story. So the shepherd was able to make out that his visitor was none other than the king. Make out means understand. So shepherds were able to understand that his visitor was none other than the king. The king made the wise shepherd governor of a small district. Governor means the head of a state or a district. Other governors became jealous of the new governor and called him dishonest. Jealous means envious. If we talk about this word's meaning in Hindi, ईर्षा करना, जलन महसूस करना, that is called jealous. So other governors became jealous of the new governor and called him dishonest. Dishonest means who is not honest. Though still tired, the king decided to depart the next morning. He said, "Many thanks for your kindness to a poor traveler. I have a long way to go. Permit me to leave." So king was still tired, but he decided to go. Depart means to go. The next morning, he said, thanks to the shepherd about his kindness, and he wanted to get permission from him to leave the place. Looking straight into the eyes of his guest, the shepherd replied, "Thank you, Your Majesty." Your Majesty is a respectful word used for a king. Your Highness is another word like this. So we can say that the shepherd was aware of who was there in disguise. So he said, "Your Majesty." So he gave respect to the king, and he was able to identify him as the king, for paying me the compliment of a visit. Compliment means good comment. So these were the words of the shepherd which were used for the king, "Your Majesty," and he thanked for him for his compliment. So this was there in this part of the story. Now let us see the next section. Tired, weird, meager, petty and poor in quality, impressed, influenced, affected, hospitality, welcoming and providing good services to the guest, conversation, talk, make out, understand, governor, the head of a state or a district. So these are difficult words which I have already told you. Now see, these are other words. jealous, envious. Depart means to go, permit means to allow. Your Majesty, this is respectful words used for a king. Your Highness is another word used for the king also. Compliment, honor, or good comment. Now see what is there in this part of the text. The king was astonished. Astonished means surprised as well as pleased. He is indeed very wise. Indeed means without any doubt. He is very wise. Who is very wise? The shepherd was very wise. He thought to himself. Who thought? The king thought to himself. I need people like him to work for me. Who is I here? The king is I. King wanted to have such person like the shepherd for him to work. And the king appointed this humble shepherd the governor of a small district. Appointed means gave a job. Humble means ordinary shepherd to the governor of a small district. Although he rose to power means came into power. And dignity means splendor, shano shaukat in Hindi if we talk about. The shepherd remained as humble as ever, means when he came into power and dignity, he remained as humble as ever, means his nature was not changed. People loved and honored him for his wisdom, sympathy, and goodness. So these were the quality: wisdom, sympathy, and goodness. These were the qualities of the shepherd, and he was liked by the people for these qualities. He was kind and just to one and all, means he was very kind to all. He was fair to all also. His fame as a fair and wise governor soon spread throughout the country. Spread means ran, throughout means all over. Now the governors of the other provinces grew terribly jealous of him and began to talk to the king against him. Terribly means extremely. Provinces means parts of the kingdom. They said he is very dishonest. So they blamed that the shepherd was very dishonest and keeps for himself part of the money that he collects as tax from the people. So this allegation was charged by the governors to make him or prove him dishonest. Why did he always carry him with him? They added an iron chest. So they said that why he always carry an iron chest with him. Perhaps he carried in it the treasure that he had secretly collected. So they thought that he used to carry in it the treasure that he had secretly collected from the people as a tax. Now see the difficult words meanings. Astonished means surprise. Appointed means gave the job. Humble, ordinary, rose to power, became powerful. Dignity, splendor, fame, good name, spread, ran throughout, all over, provinces, parts of kingdom, terribly, extremely, chest, box, treasure, wealth, secretly, unknown to other. So these were the words meaning which were there in that part of the text. Now see, they said mockingly, he was an ordinary shepherd and could behave no better. So they made fun. Mockingly means making fun of someone or jeeringly. Ordinary shepherd and could behave no better. Behave means to act. So this was there in this part of the text. That is all for today. As a homework, you will write down all the difficult words meaning in your notebooks, and you will summarize the discussed part in your own words, and next part will be discussed in the next video. Have a nice day. Thank you.